In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check PHP errors in Hostinger. Whether you're a seasoned web developer or just starting, understanding how to diagnose PHP issues on your Hostinger account can save you a lot of time and headaches. So let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. To get started first, you'll want to head over to Hostinger's main site. You can do this by simply opening up your web browser and typing in the URL for Hostinger. Once you're there, look for the login option and enter your credentials to access your account dashboard. This dashboard is your starting point where you'll find all the tools and features you need for managing your website. Once inside your dashboard, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't already. You're going to look for the Websites section. Click on this to enter the core area where your website settings are. From here, navigate to the Advanced section. It's usually prominently displayed and easy to find. This section is where a lot of the magic happens, offering deeper control over your website. In the Advanced area, you're going to find an option labeled PHP Configuration. Go ahead and click on this. The PHP Configuration section is crucial because this is where you can fine-tune how PHP runs on your server. It can significantly impact your website's performance and error handling, so it's worth exploring even if you're not troubleshooting today. After entering the PHP configuration, you're going to see a link or button for PHP options. Click on it to open up various settings related to PHP. Here, you'll find options that control how PHP is executed on your server, which can directly affect how errors are logged and displayed. Now, locate the Display Errors option within the list. Clicking on Display Errors is important because it lets you toggle whether PHP errors are shown directly in the browser. Having this enabled is incredibly useful during development phases since it allows you to see what's going wrong in real time, which can significantly speed up debugging. And that's all there is to it. You've now successfully navigated through Hostinger's dashboard to check PHP errors. Remember, if you're making changes to these settings, always double-check what you've set so you don't accidentally disrupt your site's functionality. Being proactive with error checking can improve not only your website's reliability but also your peace of mind. Thank you for following along with our guide today. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials on managing your web hosting effectively. Until next time, happy troubleshooting